Good morning. Welcome to the Ursus Technical Campus. So in previous lecture we have studied Mason's gain formula. So today we will start the problem on that formula. Before that we will revise Mason's gain formula. So what is Mason's gain formula? So it is transfer function is equal to summation of fi del I upon del. So here I is nothing but the number of forward path and fi is nothing but the gain of that ith forward path. Means if there are two forward path, then there will be two forward path gain. Now next, del is calculated by this formula, that is 1 minus sum of all individual loop gain. Here we have to take the sum of individual loop gain. After that, plus sum of all gain of gain of product of two non-touching loops. After that, minus sum of gain product of three non-touching loops. So after that we have seen the steps. So first step is we have to find, first of all, find out all possible forward path. After that, find all single loop. After that, two non-touching loop. After that, find three non-touching loop, and after finding that, put all that value in del and calculate the del. After getting del, put that value in our transfer formula, that is summation fi, means there will be addition. So final will be transfer function is equal to f1 del 1 plus f2 del 2 upon del. So let's see first example. We take simple. First we will see simple example. After that we will see more example on that. So first example is the obtain transfer function using Mason's gain formula. So here signal flow graph is given, that is R, this is E, gain of that path is 1. After that, C, gain of that path is G. After that, again C, gain of that path is 1. After that is forward feedback loop, gain of that path is minus S. So this is simple flow, signal flow graph is given here, and we have to find the transfer function. So step first is we have to find out the forward path. Obtain forward path. So in this example only one forward path is there, that is from R to C. So forward path gain is nothing the product of all gain on that path. So 1 into G. So F1 will be G. After that, step 2 is obtain total number of single loop. Obtain total number of single loop. So here only one single loop is there, that is EC. So L11 gain of that loop is G into minus H. So minus GH. Now step 3 is two non-touching loop. Two non-touching loop. So here there is no two non-touching loop. Next step is three non-touching loop. So there is also no three non-touching loop. Now next is find out del. Step 5th, find out del. So by using formula, del is equal to 1 minus sum of all individual loop gain. plus sum of gain of two non-touching loop. So its value is 0 because two non-touching loops are present, minus sum of gain of three non-touching loop. So its value is also 0. So this formula will become del is equal to 1 minus sum of individual loop gain is minus GH. So after that it is 0, it is 0. So what is the value of del? This minus will become plus. So 1 plus GH. So after that, what is find out del 1, as there is only one forward path. So F1. So from F1 find next step is del. Find step 6 is find out del 1. So del 1 is equal to 1 minus all the loop that do not touch the forward path. Means all loop that should not be touched to the forward path. So here only one loop is present, but that loop touches the forward path. So here the value of del 1 will become 1 minus 0. So value is 1. After that, put that value in our final formula, that is step 6 is transfer function is equal to F1 del 1 upon del. Here only F1 del 1 will come because only one forward path is there. If there are two forward paths, then this formula will like this F1 del 1 plus F2 del 2. But here only one forward path is present, that's why formula will become like this F1 del 1 upon del. So F1 value is G, del 1 value is 1, so G into 1, and del is 1 plus GH. So our transfer function is G upon 1 plus GH. So this is very simple method. On that topic you will have definite one problem. So very simple method. Remember the step. First step is find out forward path. After that find out total number of single loops if they are present. Find out two non-touching loops if they are present. Find out three non-touching loop. After finding all these, put that value in del, because for finding del we require all that value. So first find out that value. After getting that value we will get the value of del. After that find out del 1, del 2, that is depend on the number of forward path. If only one forward path is present, then only del will come. If there are two forward paths, then del 1, del 2 will come. After that, getting all value, simply put that value in the formula and we will get the answer. So this is nothing but the finding the transfer function using Mason's gain formula. So in next lecture we will see more example on that topic. Thank you.